Doshi, the chairman and MD at Waaree Energies, joining us on the show right now. Hi, sir. Thanks so much for making time for us. Happy Diwali and congratulations on a great listing. But you did this fundraise to support the capex. But you're not alone in that. A lot of conglomerates, right from Tata's to Adani's, has announced their capex in this sector. Do you anticipate a threat of a supply glut, if not immediately, maybe 3 to 5 years out?
Of course, there is a huge demand, which we had discussed in the last interview. And this demand we also discussed right from 500 gigawatt of the present mission, as well as hydrogen, batteries. So all this we will need huge supply chain. So Waaree is going as per the plan, but it is not going to meet the entire requirement of the country. And apart from this, the globally people are looking for the India as a second supply chain. So personally, I don't see there is going to be the glut or all that. This is a need of the hour, and we'll need this.
Right. What about the domestic market? Because that is currently being protected by ALMM and other import measures as well. Do you expect them to continue in the near term too?
Right. So our Honorable Prime Minister's clear message is the Make in India. And to make this in India, not only the solar panel, but all the products in the energy value chain, particularly when we call about the green energy transitions. These products are going to be continued to make in India with the government support. And ALM is one of the tariff barrier, non-tariff barrier I will say, which is helping to promote the Make in India. And just bringing ALMM in a short span, we have seen how the Indian module manufacturing capacity has increased and how our exports has also increased. So personally, I believe that this will not restrict only to the module. In coming days, we will see that more such things are coming for the entire value chain, where the Waaree is also planning to expand in all these areas. The price difference, when it comes, there are the two issues here. One is the cost difference, one is the price difference. When the dumping is there, price difference goes out of the, I will say, not on the table. But the cost difference wise, India was not more than a 2 cents in the past, and today also our cost difference is not more than the 2 cents compared to the other large global manufacturers globally. And I am sure with this continues going to the backward integration and increasing the volumes, capacities, we will cross over this bridge of 1.5 to 2 cents very shortly.
Okay, a large part of your order book is export related. How do you plan to insulate yourself from the increased trend of over-protectionism which we have seen in a lot of large economies? Plus, there is that possibility of China dumping. With respect to all of this, how is the export market expected to pan out for you?
See, we as a company expanding globally also. So probably in this financial year, you will see that our manufacturing in the United States will become the operational. Already the equipments are in and they are under installations. So this geographical or geopolitical risk looking to the energy security, and any countries who are looking for more and more energy securities will look into these options, how Waaree can also go there and expand our activities. In India, definitely we are seeing that large opportunities and we are going ahead in that direction.
Right. So just trying to, put some numbers here from the 80 crore PAT in FY22 to 1275 crores in FY24. The growth has really been exponential. Now with the additional capacities coming up, what is the sustainable revenue and PAT rate that we can expect?
We are growing from now 13 gigawatt to the 21 gigawatt in the modules. We are increasing the cell manufacturing capacity. 5.4 is going to be the operational now. And apart from that, we will go for the additional 6 gigawatt from this IPO, whatever the fund we have raised. The majority of this we are going to use for the 6 gigawatt of addition cells, wafers and ingot. So if you look to the two things of the company, one way we are increasing our top line by increasing our capacities. Another side, we are increasing our backward integration. Apart from our geographical expansion and the product range expansions, This will definitely help the organization to grow in terms of the top lines and bottom lines in the coming days. Giving the exact number will be the difficult at this moment, but definitely the intentions, the plans, all these in terms of the growing the both the things.
Okay, we understand that intention, but you talked about the backward integration. Now, how can that help your margins in the sense that right now your margin is 13 to 14%, while the peers are 16, 17% thereabouts. So, is that something which is possible? And is it fair to expect a 2,000 to 2,500 crore PAT by, let's say, FY 26 or 27?
Definitely there will be the growth in the PAT as well as I will say the top lines. But how much it will be difficult to forecast at this moment. Naturally, when we are buying the product from the outside and when there is a demand of the Make in India cells, that will definitely help to the bottom line.
Right, you've had a very strong listing, nearly doubled compared to the issue price. Wanted to understand any regret that you could have priced this perhaps a little better?
No, I think this is the happiest moment. If you look to the real numbers, 97 lakhs applications. This shows the confidence on the green energy, on our Honorable Prime Minister's vision, as well as the trust and confidence on the Waaree. Now, if such a large number of the applicants, that definitely brings a lot of responsibility on us. But there is no regret. This is the happiest moment that how the entire country is believing in this sector and how they are believing on the Waaree. So this is definitely, there is no regret at all. This is the happiest moment for the entire Waaree family members.
Okay, and congratulations on that front, because it's been a very good listing, and yes, that confidence on the green energy space is definitely visible. Thanks, Mr. Doshi, for making time and speaking with us.